Assalamu alaikum dear student, welcome to a math class. I am your math teacher Komal. Class 7th, again we have a same unit number 2, linear equation and simple inequality on page number 109. Today we have a new topic, that is 2.4 simple inequalities on page number 1 to 5. Okay, here we have learned how to represent a number on a number line. Okay, this is a number line. A number on a number line is more than any number on its left and less than any number on its right. Okay, here this scale is called a positive scale and this scale is called a negative scale. Okay, here 0 is neutral number. Since a number 10 is to the right of the number 5, this one, okay, 10 is more than 5, we write 10 is, here we have what, okay, more than 5. Okay, similarly minus 5 is to the right of minus 10, so minus 5 is more than minus 10. Okay, we write minus 5 more than minus 10. Alternative, we can say that minus 10 is less than minus 5. We write minus 10. Okay, minus 10 is less than minus 5. Here 10 is greater than 5 and minus 10 is less than minus 5 are known as inequalities. And inequalities is made up of algebraic expression together with symbol as here less than, greater than, less than, equal to and greater than, equal to. Okay, here we have a table. The different notation and their meanings are summarized. Okay, here अब देखिए यहाँ पर हमें क्या बताया हुआ है, that here we have a 2 point like 5 and 10. Okay, अब यहाँ पर क्या है, 10 हमारे पास क्या है, ग्रेटर देन है 5 से, सिंपल आप लोगों को पता होगा. here in negative scale, okay, 5 is greater than minus 10 बिकॉज जितना माइनस में हमारे पास वैल्यूज जाती रहेंगी वो उतनी क्या होती जाएंगी, लेस होती जाएंगी. लाइक हेयर पॉजिटिव में +1 इज ग्रेट लेस देन +2, बट हेयर -1 इज ग्रेटर देन -2 बिकॉज जितना माइनस में जाती जाएंगी, ठीक है, उतनी वैल्यूज हमारे पास क्या होती जाएंगी, माइनस होती रहेंगी. इस पूरे पैराग्राफ में सिर्फ ये बताया हुआ है. ओके, हेयर वी हैव वन टेबल दैट A is more than B. Okay, A is less than B. A is more than or equal to B. Here A is less than or equal to B. Here we have a basic level. Okay, exercise 2D on page number 1 to 9. Fill in each box with, this is the sign of less than and this is the sign of greater than. Okay, here this is the sign of greater than, this is the sign of less than, greater than or equal to, this one, okay, less than and equal to. Okay, now here we have a first fill in the blanks. If a x greater than y, then 5x dash 5y. Here we put a sign of greater than. Okay, like 5x greater than or more than 5y. Okay, सिंपल क्या करना है, आप लोगों ने इस फिगर को देखना है, ठीक है. इफ अगर यहाँ पर लेस देन का साइन है लाइक दैट, देन यू पुट लेस देन. अगर यहाँ पर लेस ग्रेटर देन का साइन है, देन यू पुट ग्रेटर देन, ग्रेटर साइन. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ पार्ट डी. इफ x less than equal to, this sign is called a equal to y, then x divided by 10, okay, less than equal to, this is the fill in the blanks, y upon 10. Okay, now we have a solution. X divided by 10 is less than or equal to y over 10. Okay, because यहाँ पर हम लोगों को बता दिया गया है कि x क्या है, लेस देन है y से, तो यहाँ पर हम लोगों ने सिंपल क्या है, साइन पुट कर देना है. Now we have a question number 2. Solve each of the following inequalities. Okay. अब हम लोगों ने इस क्वेश्चन को नंबर लाइन पर सॉल्व करना है. Here we have a first part 3x. Okay, this is the sign of less than or equal to 18. Okay, solution 3x less than equal to 18. Here 3 is multiplying with x. If we shift our 3 over here like that, okay, so our 3 is dividing with 18. X less than equal to 18 divided by 3. If we cut it like 3 1s are 3, 3 6 are 18. So x is less than equal to 6. Okay, here we draw a one line of positive scale. Okay, अब यहाँ पर हमने नंबर्स लिख लिया 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. ओके, अब देखिए हमारा आंसर क्या है. x इज लेस देन इक्वल टू 6. सो हेयर वी पुट अ 1 पॉइंट एंड हम लोगों ने इस तरफ को अपना स्केल मूव करना है बिकॉज 6 से लेस है. सो दैट्स वाई वी ड्रॉ दिस लाइन. ओके, नाउ वी हैव हियर वी हैव अ पार्ट सी. 3y less than minus 36. 3y less than minus 36. Okay, y less than minus 33. Here we shift this 3 over here like that. Okay, so our 3 is dividing with minus 36. 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36. So y less than minus 12, ये साइन हमारे पास यहाँ पर कंसिडर होगा. ओके, now here minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14, minus 15, minus 16. okay, here अब क्या है, minus 12 पे हमने एक पॉइंट डॉट करना है और राइट करना है. ठीक है, एक पॉइंट लगाना है. देन हमने अपना एरो इस तरफ को लेके जाना है बिकॉज minus 12 के आगे हमारे पास वैल्यूज कंटिन्यू है. सो दैट्स वाई. ओके, अब आप लोग सोचोगे कि ये हमने लाइन ड्रॉ कैसे करनी है. अब देखिए फॉर एग्जाम्पल हेयर वी हैव अ minus 12. सो हमने स्टार्ट क्या ले लेना है, आप minus 10 से ले लें, minus 11 से ले लें, कोई मसला नहीं है. ओके, नाउ वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. अ मैन कैन ferry a minimum of 12 people. Okay, by sitting up an inequality, find the minimum number of van that are needed to ferry 8 people. Okay, we have a solution. Let the number of van that are needed to ferry 18 people be x, then 12x. Okay, here again the sign of more than or equal to 18. Here again we shift our 12 over here. Okay, x more than equal to 18 divided by 12 is, if we cut our this division then we get 20 over 3. Over here we have a rough work. 20 divided by 3, 3 6 are 18. Our remainder is 2. Again we write in anti-clockwise like that. 6 3 over 2. This fraction is called a improper fraction. Therefore, okay, this is the sign of therefore. The minimum number of vans that are needed to ferry 18 people 7, because 6 3 over 2 it means that half, हम half को भी 7 लिख सकते हैं. okay, हम इसको भी कंसिडर कर सकते हैं दैट 7. अगर हम लोग क्या करेंगे इसको, मतलब कि आप लोग ये कह लें कि ये पूरा होने से 7 कंप्लीट होने से थोड़ा सा कम है. सो दैट्स वाई हेयर हम लोग क्या लिख देंगे 7. नाउ वी हैव अ इंटरमीडिएट लेवल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. गिवन दैट x satisfy that inequality. Okay, 20x more than 33. Find the smallest value of x if x is a prime number. Okay, solution 20x. We write this question over here. Okay, x more than 33 divided by 20. Again we shift our this 20 over here like that. Okay, it implies that, or you can say in next line. Okay, x more than 113 divided by 20. How? If we divide our this value 13 divided by 20, 21s are 20. Okay, our remainder is 13. So we write like that because हम एंटी क्लॉकवाइज इसको लिखते हैं. The smallest value of x if x is a prime number. इज 2. ओके, अभी यहाँ पे क्या है, देखा अगेन 1 है, 13 डिवाइडेड बाय 20. अगेन 2 होने में थोड़े से नंबर बाकी हैं. ओके, अगर आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे 13 ओवर 20 को, देन हमारे पास एक वैल्यू आएगी और वो क्या है, 2 से बहुत नियर होगी. सो दैट्स वाई एक हमने 2 इस वजह से लिया. सेकेंड उन्होंने हमें क्या बोला था, x इज द प्राइम नंबर. ओके, तो x का जो प्राइम नंबर होगा वो हम लोग 1 के बाद 2 ले लेंगे. ओके, देन वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. If y is an integer and it satisfies the inequality, okay, 5y less than 20 and 2y is more than or equal to minus 6, find all the possible value of y. Okay, अब यहाँ पर find the, हमारे पास दो solution है. First is this, second is this solution. 5y, okay, less than 20 and 2y more than or equal to minus 6. Okay, again we shift our 5 over here like that. Y less than 4 because 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. And okay, we have a second part, that is 2y more than equal to minus 6. Again we shift our 2 over here. Okay, and 2 is change its operation, like 2 divided with 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6. So y is what, you can say greater than or more than equal to minus 3. Okay, here the possible values are minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. Okay, 0 is neutral, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now here again I mentioned that we have this is a positive scale and this is the negative scale. If we combine our positive and negative scale, then ये इस तरीके से दिखेगा. This is our positive scale and this is our negative scale. Okay, student, that is your book page. Okay, and that is your homework. Now here I mentioned everything, page number 1 to 9, unit 2, exercise 2D and question R. Question number 1, part B, C, E, F is your homework. Question number 2, part A, D, E, G, H is your homework. And question number 4, question number 4 का कोई part नहीं है. Okay, and question number 6 is your homework. Do your homework on your notebook. Okay, in every page mention your name, your class and your section as well. Okay, and you have to send your homework girls in this mail and boys in this mail. Thank you student for listening. Take care and Allah Hafiz.